엄마 거 받으면 되겠지?
Something Korean. I feel like my face just like brightened up the moment that I smelled the beef.